Hello, today we will guide you through how to change the currency on Ryanair. In this walkthrough, we'll show you how to update the currency shown across fares and fees on the Ryanair website, so you can compare prices in a way that's familiar to you. Start by opening your preferred web browser and going to the official Ryanair website. Give the home page a second to load fully. On the top right corner of the page, look for the small flag icon. This flag represents the current country or region the site is set to, and it controls which currency is displayed across flight results and extras. Click the flag to open the country or region selector. A panel or drop-down will appear, showing a list of available countries and regions. You can scroll through the list or use the search box, if available, to quickly find the location you prefer. When you select a country, the website updates its regional settings. This is the key point. The currency shown on fares is based on the country you choose here. Go ahead and click your preferred country or region. After you make your selection, the site may refresh or briefly reload. That's normal. Once it comes back, check any fare or flight search on the page. You should now see prices displayed in the currency associated with the country you selected. For example, choosing a country in the euro area will display prices in euros. Choosing a country that uses pounds will display prices in pounds. You'll notice the currency code next to prices across flights, baggage, and other add-ons. If the prices don't update right away, try refreshing the page, returning to the home page, or starting a new flight search. If you're in the middle of a booking, it can help to go back to the main search screen so the new setting applies across the process. Also, if you're signed in, your previous preferences may be remembered by the site. Changing the country from the flag selector will still apply, but a quick page reload can make it visible immediately. A quick tip before you proceed with your booking: the website's display currency is for convenience. Your bank or card issuer may handle the actual charge in a different way depending on your payment method and location, so always review the final amount and currency on the payment page. That's all you need to do. By selecting your preferred country from the flag icon at the top right, you control the currency you see across the Ryanair site, making it easier to plan and compare your trip with confidence.